My name is Roy. I am owner of Hardwood Floors Outlet. We provide flooring for Murrieta, have for 15 years, and we sell hardwood, vinyl planks, laminate, and carpet. What makes us unique is the time that we give. We have been here for so long that if you're going to look for flooring, you're going to stop at my store, most likely. Right, my clients have a lot of questions, and again, it is foreign to them to buy flooring. Flooring has changed, and a lot since the last time that they bought flooring, and their lifestyle might have changed. I'm interested in connecting their flooring choice to their lifestyle, their present lifestyle that is going to live on this. So you might not have thought of that as a client. And it's comforting to know that that you're only in my store to be educated, and my job is to appropriate that flooring for that lifestyle, and I get a lot of satisfaction out of that. Well, when a customer comes into my store, it's quite overwhelming. They see thousands of options. So I want to be a place where they can take their time and ask any questions, and just to take the time, really, to give them the opportunity to become confident that their choice is correct for them. So when you take a sample from my store, it's unlikely that the first sample you take is going to be that right one. We're going to encourage you to take as many as you want. The quality of our installation it's top-notch because it's easy to do good work. Because I was an installer for so many years, the language that I speak to my installers, they're familiar with. We're only sending licensed, bonded, insured folks out to your house, and in close contact with my team, who are also installers as well in many ways. Business is really, really good. I remodeled the showroom thinking that this time was going to be slow, and I was wrong. It was busy. It's very hard to remodel when you have that many customers, and we gladly welcome them, and it hasn't slowed down. I'm anxious to see where this store goes, and if I keep the same character about it, I believe that my clients are going to benefit, and so is my team. Hardwood Floors Outlet is in Murrieta, 26755 Jefferson Avenue, Suite A in Murrieta, California, 92562. We are on the corner of Jefferson and Eastman. My phone number is 951-461-8855. I am on Facebook and Instagram. Sales@hfofloors.com is my email address.